Hello and welcome. This video is aimed at those who have been parachuted into a NewsWhip dashboard and want to quickly know where to begin. So what is NewsWhip? NewsWhip Spike is a real-time monitoring platform unique in its predictive media insights. We empower professionals, such as yourself, to monitor and manage live issues. These could range from the proactive tracking of campaigns or potential issues to the reactive response to an event or a crisis. But I'm not a salesman and you already have your ticket, so let's move on. You might now be asking yourself what it is you should be doing here. A fair question. Well, the good news is that your colleague values you. They believe your eyes should be on this data. They have created a specific search or searches with distinct criteria to obtain these results. They've then created a dashboard and added relevant widgets consisting of content feeds and visualizations. Hopefully they've also added a note to assist you. But generally, you might help to pose or answer questions such as: what narratives are resonating with the public? What are the media focusing on? Are they changing for better or for worse? Is a breaking story significant? How should we react? Should we even react? How do we compare to competitors? How successful was our campaign? Are there any opportunities here? Does this need to be shared? Okay, let's get stuck into the product itself. Here is the homepage where all the dashboards shared with you can be found. A dashboard can consist of only one search or extend to a maximum of 5 searches. I'll click on one now. And here we are. Let's begin with the widgets. What are they? Content widgets present a feed of posts from all web articles and social media including Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit and YouTube. There are also widgets that display the top websites, authors and communities, as well as our new AI-powered widget used to instantly identify the people and brands driving conversations. The most versatile widget is the timeline visualization. This shows how the media and public have engaged with a given topic and how it's developing and evolving over time. All widgets can be sorted by a time range from 30 minutes to 1 month, along with other custom options. Realistically, you'll mostly use 24 hours for live issues and 1 week to 1 month for longer monitoring. Importantly, if you have 2 or more searches with a timeline widget added, you will be able to see the combined timeline, which is an essential visualization when comparing events or competitors or plotting a current crisis to the life cycle of a similar one. And don't be afraid to click and interact with any timeline to dive deeper into the data. Okay, so what about the metrics? Metrics are how you'll sort and measure these feeds of data looking for insights. Some are self-explanatory and some are our own. They will often default based on the time range or widget type, but can be manually changed. Total interactions is simply the total number of social interactions on any article or post. You will often use this. Most recent is the most recent. You might never use this. Highest velocity is our own metric and should be thought of as a measure of virality. It helps you identify the fastest growing content and pinpoint the signal amidst the noise. Overperforming tells you how much more interest an article or post is getting compared to the average for that publisher or page. This gives you something tangible to contextualize any post performance. Predicted interactions forecast potential interactions using our patented algorithm. This can predict performance as much as 24 hours in the future, helping you to assess if a story is going to grow, which might help calm down an executive who is worried about a negative rogue tweet that they've spotted. Okay, but what can you do with it? Well, have a play around and see if you find any nuggets. Gold, not chicken. And when you do, which you will because the training is flawless and your colleagues have set you up with great dashboards, you might want to share your insights. You can choose to export by widget in a number of formats. You can also choose to set up an alert straight to your inbox or to someone else. This can be real time for recent changes based on predicted metrics, or you can opt for our new AI digests that provide daily or weekly summaries utilizing GPT technology. We're also about to launch our new report builder, which allows you to export entire dashboards with your own comments. Remember, we have an on-demand help center and a responsive customer success team to help you when needed. And thanks to you for your time. Hopefully I can get this under 5 minutes.